Deep in the old-growth forests of the southern hemisphere, where sunlight rarely touches the ground in cathedral-like darkness, lives a predator that does not need to be fast. It does not need to be strong. It only needs to be patient. The obsidian shrike. The male's feathers are not soft like most birds. They are a biological obsidian, serrated, razor-sharp and dangerous to the touch. His mate, the female, carries a different weapon entirely. Her bare chest produces a viscous secretion, part adhesive, part neurotoxin. A slow-acting venom that, once introduced to the bloodstream, shuts the body down, one muscle at a time. Together, they have perfected a method of killing that is as efficient as it is cruel. The hunt begins with the male. He identifies the weakest member of a group, young, injured, or simply slow, and from a concealed perch, he mimics a distress cry so precise, the herd cannot tell it from the real thing. They bolt, and their weakest is left behind. Now alone, the prey has a new problem. The male doesn't strike from a distance. He dives directly into the animal's face, again and again, each pass dragging those glass-edged feathers across exposed skin. The cuts are small, superficial, but there are dozens of them, blood in the eyes, panic setting in. And while the prey is blinded and thrashing, the female arrives. She targets what the male has opened up, fresh wounds, the soft skin behind the ears, the tender flesh beneath the limbs. She deposits the toxin from her chest. Within minutes, the paralysis begins. And then the shrikes do something unsettling. They stop, they perch, and they watch. They simply wait for the venom to finish what they started. But perhaps the most disturbing adaptation is how the shrike plans its next meal, before this one is even finished. The female lays her eggs directly inside the carcass of the kill. For 8 weeks, the pair guards the body as a living nest, but the corpse also serves a second purpose. The female's chest secretion, now soaking the remains, emits a powerful musk, foul enough to repel most scavengers. But any animal unlucky enough to brush against the carcass carries the scent home. And when its own partner and pups reject it, confused by the foreign stench, it wanders, alone, marked, and the shrikes can smell it from miles away, even days later. The obsidian shrike does not simply hunt, it farms.